Alright, so this is basically to clear up what I was saying in the forum post, because it might not be as clear as I want to present it, I guess. So basically all I'm doing is using the usual RGBA node to merge all of these pictures together, and I do that by converting every image to grayscale and then like merging it using this node, and then that creates one output for me that I can use. But I also want these images to have color in the engine later, so just to keep things consistent, if I ever change like a size, like for example this one's 1024 by 1024 and the rest are like 512 by 512, I've only done this in this example to like show that I can have multiple different texture sizes, and this method allows me to like keep the color one and the grayscale one consistent in terms of size or any changes I want to make, so that when it multiplies together in the engine, like it's just fine, rather than having to go into Photoshop and change the sizes there to make them all match. So that's all this is doing here, and then I wanted like some roughness and surface variation in the normal, so I just got this image from the internet, which is like some like oil painting surface variation or whatever. Converted that to grayscale so that I can turn it into normal and normal and roughness information. I export all of these out and bring it into Unreal, and then in Unreal I'm taking my merge node. Every single one of those images have obviously been packed into each of these channels, so we now unpack them, and the unpack gets multiplied by its color counterpart, I guess, and then this has pretty much got color now. It then gets multiplied by a parameter, which is essentially just my way of figuring out how to turn on and off each texture. So I'll show that working now. So once that's pretty much all four of them packed in, plugged into the base color, then all that's plugged in. So now I'll make an instance, and I'll just do that again. If I make an instance, I drag that onto the painting that I want. I can go in. I'll tick all of those on for now. So I'll just do that. So what I can do is I can turn this one on, for example, and it turns it on there. And let's say I want this one on and this one off. So I usually set them to 1 all at first, and then I can tick on and off which ones I want. So I can either have this one, this one, this one, whichever ones you packed in there will work. And then I'll save this. What I can now do is maybe make like another 2 instances. Apply that one to there, and that one to there, and then that one to there. And then what I can do is I can go in, can change that one to 1. That's all of those there. Oh yeah, probably shouldn't have instanced that, but yeah, you get the idea. So if we do that one more time, we create an instance, drag that on there, create an instance of that, again drag it on there, and create an instance, drag it on there. Can basically go, yep, I want that to be that one, so that's that. I want that to be that one, so we do that, and then I want that to be this one, so I do that. And yeah, this pretty much just allows me to be more efficient with like textures and stuff like that, and it's just a faster way of working as opposed to like dragging all of the materials on. I can just have one, I can just have like instances, and I can swap them out like faster. So I can tick, untick all those, tick all those, sorry. You can go with ones, and then untick and tick which ones I want, stuff like that. And yeah, I just wanted to be more efficient with how I'm using textures, and just wanted to try something different and managed to get it to work, so yeah, cool.